Ready to open the hood? Use tool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the fuel filter that you will find in the video description. Turn the engine off and pull up the handbrake. The fuel filter is located on the passenger side at the back of the vehicle. In order to replace the fuel filter, you must lift the back of your vehicle. This will ensure you can slide easily under your car to access the filter. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial video, lifting your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You should now be able to see the fuel filter located next to the reservoir. Using a container, collect the fuel that will come out of the filter. We suggest you watch another of our videos, how to make a collector for liquids. You now need to disconnect the hoses. Using flat nose pliers, press down on the white part of the plastic connector while levering. Repeat the operation on the other connector. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the holding screws for the hooping that keeps the filter in place. Take the filter out of its housing. Then, drain your filter into the container.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take the new filter and remove the cap on the hoses. Fit the new fittings on both sides of the filter. Put the new one in, sliding it in the opposite direction to remove it. Pay attention to the direction of the arrows. They should point towards the front of the vehicle. Put the two petrol connectors back on, clipping them onto the filter. Ensure that all the hoses are correctly clipped in. Then, put the retaining screw on the plastic filter strapping. You can now put your vehicle back on the ground. Turn the key a few times to make sure that the filter has been properly primed. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.